portion of the knowledge I possess. In the belly of the beast, they put you to the test. My law library, what chapter is next? Section 12010, warrant of arrest, law library. Section 12010, warrant of arrest, law library. I promised you the rest. Call your friends on they sidekicks and blackberries. Tell them Papoose dropping that law library. Take these bars and put them in your commissary. But you can't shop with that, you need Fetty. Acquire this knowledge by any means necessary. Welcome to part 2, law library. A local criminal court has a process. It's procedures they gotta go through to make arrests. If you don't understand, I'll explain it. The sole function of this process is to bring you in for arraignment. Cops looking for you with guns, kinda dangerous. A bounty on your head, illustrated. A piece of paper subscribed by issuing judge that contains the name of the court, the date it was issued, in the name or title of an offense, the defendant's full name, nickname, or government. Yeah, man, they even write your nickname. Underneath is the police officer, it reads his name. It's a court-issued document with these things on it. This piece of paper has a name, it's called the warrant. Had a previous court date and you ignored it. Try not to make police contact, you got a warrant. Left a phone number at your crib, told you to call it. Riding around with your picture, you got a warrant. You got two choices. On one hand, do the gingerbread man. Catch me if you can. Living off the land, life on the lamb. You just a nephew to Uncle Tom and Uncle Sam. On the other hand, if you street educated with a good lawyer, you can have the warrant vacated. If you got the bail money and you thuggicated, fight the case from the outside, regulated. Cause when a criminal action has been commenced, to issue a warrant, they gotta get the court convinced. So they file what's called an accusatory instrument. They go through drastic measures to seek imprisonment. But if the instrument is not sufficient on its face, they paperwork ain't right, they looking out of place. They ain't produced enough evidence, check this. That accusatory instrument get dismissed. No warrant is granted, now the cops pissed. Back out on the streets, looking for a snitch. This goes out to all of my niggas who on parole. You think it's a game cause you cool with your PO. He under supervision of his bosses, so if you ever slip, he gotta execute the warrant. He might care for you, but he authorized by his director within his geographical area. If you living on the run when the cops get you, they gotta inform you that a warrant has been issued. As long as you know your rights and you ask for it, upon your request they gotta show you the warrant. So when they run up on you when you in the projects, digging in your clothes, pulling out your objects, wanna bring you in for questioning, man, that's nonsense. I don't wanna talk if it's not a warrant for my arrest. What's the next chapter in my memory? Section 10535, conspiracy, law library.